to do today? I'm not sure that. Would you like to have lunch with me? Yes, Gwen. 11:30, okay. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please? I said 11:30. Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later? Okay. How about 12:30? Okay, Gwen. How about Bean Seafood Restaurant? Oh, where is that? It's on 7th Street. Okay, I will meet you there.